Qualifications are requirements you can set on particular merits that a person must have in order to check into an activity. The Qualifications page in Merit Check-in lists your existing qualifications by name. It shows the number of merits required to meet the qualification, when the qualification was first created, and when it was last edited. Clicking the three dots on the right side gives me options to edit or duplicate the qualification. You can utilize a particular qualification in multiple activities. If you make any changes to a qualification, it affects all activities that use that qualification. To set up a new qualification, select Create Qualification in the top right. To start off, I will give this qualification an appropriate name. I can now designate a merit for the first requirement by clicking Add Merit. I am prompted to choose an organization and a merit from that organization. By default, my current organization is selected, but as I'll show in a bit, you can also use merits from other organizations for qualifications. For now, I'll choose the Cert Basic merit from my organization. You can see now that I have the Cert Basic merit listed in this first requirement, with an OR statement and a plus icon below it. For qualifications, each column is a new requirement. Each item in a column is an option to satisfy that requirement. So I can click on this plus icon to designate an additional merit that can be used for this requirement. For this, I'll choose a merit from another organization, Seal Valley Emergency Management's Program Graduate Merit. Next, I will define a new requirement. I'll choose my organization's COVID-19 test merit. So the way this qualification works is that an individual must have either the Cert Basic or Program Graduate Merit, as well as the COVID-19 test merit. The merits they have must be active. Expired or inactive merits do not satisfy qualifications. The merit can be either pending or accepted. I will now save this new qualification. My new qualification is now listed and ready to be used in activities. When editing an activity, you can set the qualification in the Add a Qualification section. There is the option Keep a Record of Merits used to qualify for this activity, which will log which specific merits the person held in order to meet the qualification, which can be useful if there are multiple potential merits that satisfy the criteria. Here's what that record will look like in the check-in log. If someone does not have the necessary merits to meet the qualification, they will have an unsuccessful check-in. You can customize the message that is displayed in this instance. When you enable a qualification for an activity, participants must use a merit profile to check in, so the guest check-in option is disabled.